It's true. Great things do come in small packages. The Cricket SW3 electric sport vehicle is the latest innovation in portable personal transportation from Rick's ESV. To introduce the Cricket SW3, we give you the innovator and founder, Rick Huff.
Hello, I'm Rick Huff. Many years ago, I saw the need for a small electric vehicle that is perfectly portable transportation for most any need.
The unique SW3 holds up to 4 adults or 600 pounds comfortably with the equipped 2-passenger rear seat that flips down into a spacious storage rack for hauling. The SW3 is extremely quiet, very easy to maneuver, and comes in a wide array of colors from which to choose. The Cricket SW3 is lightweight and extremely compact for traveling. The body is adjustable to a mere 58 inches in length, a width of only 32 inches, and a height of 28 inches. The custom sports steering wheel folds down, allowing your Cricket SW3 to fit into most midsize SUVs. Upon arriving at your destination, the SW3 is unfolded quickly and easily to a standard length of 78 inches and a width of 32 inches.
We've been looking at the Cricket for quite a while and decided that it was a fit for us. We like to pull our HHR, which is easy to pull, and it slides right into the back with no problem. It's just and that's a small vehicle, and to slide that in there was just incredible, and it just makes life so much easier. It's just an all-around good vehicle.
It will fit in a lot of vehicles that you don't think it would. I didn't think it would fit in mine, and they had to prove it to me before I bought it. So when they did that, then I bought it, and I've been tickled to death with it. I bought mine last year, and it's been great.
Well, we bought the Cricket because we like the size of it. It'll go in the van, and it folds down. It's very compact and very easy to get into and set up.
Hi, my name is John Ackerman. I live in Western Maryland, and the reason I bought a Cricket was for its mobility and its convenience. I have a Ford Escape. This folds up and fits right into the back of the Escape.
We got a hold of this Cricket here from Rick to get us around here at these RV shows, and it's real easy to load on the back end of my Explorer. We come all the way down from Buffalo, New York here to Tampa, Florida to the show, and no problem. It just hangs on the back end there and away we go.
The Cricket SW3 provides you with an extended running time of 6 to 8 hours or approximately 30 miles on a single charge.
The power of the Cricket is, I see no difference in it than a regular golf cart. I was here at the Florida RV show and even took it off and climbed a little up across some grass and everything with me and my wife on it with no problem at all. So it definitely has no lack for power and maneuverability and everything else. It's just the ideal cart.
My wife and I spent the month of December in a campground down in Fort Myers, and it's well over 1,000 trailers in that campground, and we rode it almost every day that the weather permitted, and I think I charged it twice while I was there for the month of December. So, you know, that's a big campground to be riding all around, and the two of us was riding it all the time.
I show American quarter horses all over the East Coast. Once we get to the show, the Cricket will haul my hay around, my saddles, all of my tack, everything I need. When I'm done and set up, I can put 4 adults on here without any problem at all, and the convenience is right there.
It's got plenty of power. I've never run out of power, even with the both of us on here. And I'm 260 pounds, so I'm not going to say how much mine weighs because I don't think that will.
I don't weigh a third of that.
After experiencing the Cricket SW3, you'll see why people are calling it the ultimate portable personal transportation.
The only thing I can really say about it is Rick did an amazing job making this Cricket, because it's a wonderful little vehicle.
There's just so many things about it that you don't get in the regular golf carts. And we love these, they're perfect.
It's just all around cleaner, neater operation, easier to handle, just an all around good vehicle. The Cricket's the way to go.
Yeah, I'd like to say thanks to Rick for designing this thing and helping out folks like us.
The Cricket, as far as I'm concerned, is the best thing since sliced bread.
I personally guarantee that you're going to be 100% satisfied.